Iranians in storming the US embassy was to draw attention away from the anti-Iran, anti-government protests.
So this might actually help the Iranian government then?
Yes, I think the Iranians were expecting a retaliation from the Americans. I don't think they were banking on the retaliation being what it was. But what the attack by Trump has done now, it has brought the infighting among the Shia factions. It's brought the Shia factions in Iraq together. Whereas if you were to go back about 4 weeks ago, they were all at each other's throat, and there was a power vacuum in Iraq because the Prime Minister had handed in his resignations, and the Shia factions in Iraq couldn't agree on a replacement for him. So they were at each other's throat, and the move by Iran to get the militias to raid or to attack the US embassy was sort of, in my opinion, a way for them to shift the narrative away from the anti-Iran sentiment.
Yeah, understood. Mustafa, thank you very much for that. More calls coming on this. We'll also be getting the latest on the Labour leadership race.